Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Lido staking portal, complete guide step by step clear. To begin, visit the Lido staking portal website. Once you're on the home page, look for the Get Started option and click on it. You will be directed to the registration page. At this point, you need to connect your cryptocurrency wallet. Select the type of wallet you wish to use, such as MetaMask or another supported wallet. Follow the prompts to authorize the connection between the portal and your wallet. Once connected, check that your wallet address is displayed correctly. Next, navigate to the staking options available on the portal. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to stake, typically ETH for Lido. You will see the current staking rewards and percentage rates. Decide on the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to stake. Enter that amount into the provided field on the portal. After entering the amount, review the terms and conditions. Check the box indicating that you agree to the terms. Click on the Stake Now button to proceed. Confirm the transaction within your wallet application. Wait for the transaction to be processed on the blockchain. Once completed, you will receive a confirmation message on the portal. Your staked assets will now be displayed in your account dashboard. You can monitor the performance and rewards from your dashboard at any time. That concludes the step-by-step guide on registering with the Lido staking portal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.